Hello Business Stars, this is your business coach with a brand new video on O-Levels Business Studies question paper solving series on code 7115 variant 12 May June 2021. So let's look at the question number 4. In question number 4, the case study speaks of Rahul owns a small firm. It's not Rahul, it's Rahul over here, okay? So Rahul owns a small firm that grows oranges. His farm is based in country Z. Like all primary sector activities, farming creates external costs and external benefits. Rahul sells all 600 tons of his 4 oranges direct to a drinks manufacturer in country E. The government of country E plans to introduce either import tariff or quotas. Rahul said this might help country E's government achieve one of its economic objectives, but how will it affect companies that export to country E? So let's look at question number 4a, which is define primary sector. It's a 2-mark question. So primary sector extracts and uses the natural resources of the earth to produce raw materials used by other businesses. Let's move on to question number 4b. Question number 4b speaks of identify 2 government economic objectives. It's a 2-mark question. The first objective speaks of lower unemployment or full employment or higher level of employment. And objective 2 is economic growth, to increase economic growth or to increase GDP or to improve living standards, okay, or standard of living. Moving on to question number 4c, we have is outline one external benefit and one external cost that Rahul's business activity might create. This is a 4-mark question, okay? We need to use a combination of knowledge and application, one external benefit and one external cost. So let's start with the first external benefit, which is jobs will be created on the firm. This is the application on the firm. And the external cost is loss of space, land use, this is the knowledge, to produce 600 tons. This is the application because 600 tons were written in the case study. So this was the application. Moving on to question number 4d, which speaks of explain 2 advantages to Rahul's business of selling direct to a manufacturer. This is a 6-mark question and we need to use a combination of knowledge, application and analysis. Okay, so there are basically 2 advantages. Let's talk about the first advantage. So starting with advantage number 1, no need for intermediaries or middlemen. This is the knowledge, as Rahul is selling directly to a manufacturer. The explanation is this will increase their profit margin. This is the analysis for the firm. This is the application. In advantage number 2, better understanding customer needs will be knowledge, and the explanation is they will be able to know which type of oranges, this is the application, can help maintain customer loyalty or sales. This is the analysis. So we are done with question number 4d. Business Stars, moving on to the last question, which is question number 4e of code 7115 variant 12 May June 2021. 4e in front of your screen. Do you think the introduction of import tariffs is likely to have a greater effect than the introduction of import quotas on an exporting business? Justify your answer. It's a 6-mark question. Again, we'll be using a combination of 2 knowledge, 2 analysis and 2 evaluation. Okay, so on the first part, we'll be talking about the quotas, and the second part we'll be talking about tariffs, and then we'll be talking about the evaluation. So the answer says quota will limit the amount of goods that can be brought into a country. This is the knowledge, which reduces the supply. Whereas tariffs could increase the price of goods. This is the knowledge, leading to lower demand. This is the analysis. Now let's talk about the evaluation. I think tariffs are likely to have less effect, as at least you can still export the amount you want, and customers may still be prepared to pay the extra, whereas quotas could reduce or restrict the possibility of any sales inside a country. So that's it. Thank you everyone for staying tuned with our question paper solving series. Hope to see you on the next video. This is your business coach signing off, guiding you to a business revolution. For business, commerce and economics tuitions, you can connect with Muhammad Ishtiaq bin Zaman sir at 01685 221141 or email us at thebusinesssstarbd@gmail.com.